Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Minecraft Shimo. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Minecraft Shimo, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a little line that's going to go in and then back out like this. And then I'm going to draw a little line down. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, up, and we're going to come back up like this, like a little rectangle. Then let's make another little rectangle underneath here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. I'm going to bring this down here. I'm going to bring this one back a little bit. Next, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to go down again. Then we're going to come up here. And then back here, I'm going to make some small little rectangles just so we can kind of make some of the spikes for Shimo. So I'm just going to make some small little rectangles here. Then I'm going to connect these just like that. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, up like this. And we're going to go up and down like this for the teeth. And we'll put some little lines in here like this. Then we're going to make a little rectangle shape for the nose. Now, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, down, and in. I'm going to make some bigger rectangle shapes like this. We're just going to make some of these larger rectangle shapes. So put one here. Do a small one here. And then we'll do a couple little lines right here, kind of behind it. Now for the neck, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to come down like this and then up at an angle. Then we're going to make the arm. So let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come down at an angle. We're going to come back like this. We're going to go over and then up. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go down like this. We're going to come up, down, and then in. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and back. We'll go down, over, and up. Then we'll come over and up, and then over and up to connect it. Next, I'll make a line that's going to come down and then back here. Then we're going to come up, down like this. And we're going to come down and up here. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go down again and then bring it back here. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come over. We're going to come down. We're going to go down here and then bring it back. Next, we're going to bring this line down, over, up, and over. Then we're going to make a little rectangle shape right here for one of the toes. Then we're going to make a taller one right here for another toe. Then we're going to go over and up at an angle, and then up at an angle here. Next, I'm going to go up, over, down, and then up here for like the back of Shimo. Now for the tail, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down and then back here. I'm going to make a line that's going to go over. We're going to come up, over, and then down. I'm going to make this line come up, over, and down for that nice long tail. Then I'm going to put one more small rectangle on the end. And then I'm going to make a little skinny rectangle for one of the spikes. I'm going to make 1 and 2 little squares. And then 1 and 2 little squares. Then I'm going to make a little rectangle that's connected to each one. So we're just making a little rectangle that connects to each one of these small squares, kind of make that spike on Shimo's tail. Next, right here, I'm going to make a little square for a claw. Then I'm going to make a bigger square, and then another square for the claws down here on the feet. Next, I'm going to make a little rectangle here. And then I'm going to make some small rectangles going down the back here. So we're just going to make some rectangles kind of all the way down here. We're going to keep them a little bit smaller too. And I'm just going to put these all the way around here. And we're going to bring them all the way down the tail. So we're just going to make these little squares coming all the way down. Then I'm going to make some bigger rectangles now. And you can make these different sizes. We just want to make these kind of look like Shimo's spikes. So they can kind of be different sizes. Like some can be a little bit taller, some can be a little bit shorter. And we're just going to put these coming all the way down here. We're going to kind of fill up the back of Shimo. And I want to put a couple more back here as well, just to make it look like there's a lot of spikes on Shimo. We're going to put some little lines here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come here, then a line that's going to come up here. And then I'm going to put some little lines kind of going down here, just to kind of show the different parts of Shimo, like that's going to be like the stomach. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, down, and in. I'm going to go out, down, and in. Then out, down, and in for like the ice blast. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out, up, and in, out, up, and in, out, up, and in, and then over, up, and then back in. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Minecraft Shimo. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.